This short video tells you how we've worked together in Pembrokeshire to change the way we provide day opportunities. We have looked at all day opportunities over the last few years. We had an idea to develop a service which meets the needs of people better, supported by the Social Services and Wellbeing Act. We wanted it to be exciting. In early 2019, we started our work with people with learning disabilities, older people, families, and a wide group of our partners, including health and the voluntary sector. We worked with People2 to help us talk with people with learning disabilities and older people in our services, the services we buy, and the third sector. We spoke to adults with learning disabilities, older people, family and carers, service providers throughout Pembrokeshire, voluntary and third sector organisations, social workers and care management, support staff, health colleagues, education colleagues, and advocacy services.
We held a number of engagement events supported by our partners in a range of locations across the county. This gave us an opportunity for as many people as possible to have their say and be a part of this journey.
We asked people 3 key questions. What's working well? What isn't working well? And what needs to change to make things better in the future?
We talked to people in different ways and made sure that everyone's voice was considered equal. We had help from the speech and language team and used writing, speech and sound, including Easy Read.
Here is just a small summary of some of the things people said were important to them.
To be in a community that is understanding and inclusive of all people.
To have more opportunities in the evenings and at weekends.
To be able to try new things.
And a sense of ownership in their service and the venues they access.
To help others, to share interests and skills.
From this, we were able to identify a number of key themes. People wanted greater flexibility and variety of opportunities. People wanted services to be accessible in their own locality without the need to travel across the county. More meaningful and personalised opportunities, and fair access for all.
Based on what people told us, we asked people about a hub and spoke model. The hub would offer professional services. The spokes would be services in the local community. At events across Pembrokeshire, people gave us their thoughts and ideas for the future. Where are we now? Unfortunately, we cannot escape COVID-19 and how it has affected our services. As services across Pembrokeshire have restarted in a safe way, work that we have done together helped us decide how services would restart. Everyone has adapted quickly to COVID restrictions. By talking to people and families and carers, we have been able to give people support that meets their needs and in a way that they feel safe.
Our co-production journey is far from over as we now look to the future and consider what next. A working group has been set up to develop and implement the future model of day opportunities in Pembrokeshire. The hub has become a central point of access, or a bureau, that will enable people to co-produce a personalised service package specifically designed to meet their outcomes. The spokes will become a menu of services provided within local communities or in specialised centres. People will be able to adopt a pick and mix approach to designing their service package. As outcomes are achieved, people will be able to revisit the Bureau to redesign their service package in order to meet their new outcomes or to simply explore new opportunities.
For example, this may be a personalised service in a local area enabling someone to stay active. Or it may be a more specialised service such as someone with dementia, provided in an adapted, safe, indoor setting. Other examples include utilising digital technology to deliver services online, and when it is safe to do so, restarting community activities in outdoor safe places, such as offering dementia supportive walks. We also have a programme of supported employment which will allow people to work if they want to as part of their support package.
Thank you for listening to our story. We in Pembrokeshire all look forward to continuing this exciting journey together.